mentally strong, so you're able to excel, to earn and enjoy life. When you are weak, you'll even weaken other people. You will worry and you'll not be able to work and walk well. You need to be strong. And how can you be strong? Hi, how are you? This is Syaviha Mulengya, the author of the book, You Have a Bright Future, Do Not Give Up. And men are crying, women are weeping. My aim is sharing a message of hope, harmony, and healing. Thank you so much for choosing this channel. If you are new, please subscribe. And if you have, please we have many other videos that will touch, teach, and transform your life. My aim is to see you strong, stable, and successful. Today we'll be talking about how to be mentally strong. How to be strong. You need to be strong. You see, life will come with a lot of stress. You need to be strong so that you can be able to stand, succeed, and serve well. When you're strong, you'll be able to see things clearly. When you're strong, you'll be able to speak with power. When you're strong, you'll be able to achieve and succeed in what you do. You need to be mentally strong because everything starts in the mind. You need to reprogram your mind, change your mind, change the way you look at yourself, change the way you look at things. It's very, very important. So you need to know when you are strong, you will excel. You will be able to do well what you are doing. When you are strong, you'll be able to achieve great things. When you are strong, you will be able to enjoy what you have and to what you're doing. Do you want to enjoy life? Yes, I know you want to enjoy your life. You need to be mentally strong. And now, how can you be mentally strong? I'll be talking about 7 things that you need to do if you want to be mentally strong. Number 1, you want to be mentally strong? Find your purpose. Know who you are, what you are born to do, and have a clear purpose. When you don't know the way, you'll be misled. You will lose. You will waste. And when you waste money, you waste resources, you waste time. But when you have a purpose, it will help you to be productive. It will help you to be peaceful. It will help you to perceive great things. Find your purpose if you want to be mentally strong. Wake up when you know who you are and what you want to achieve. Number 2, focus on your future. Don't look at where you are coming from. Look at where you are going, because where you are going, great things are going to happen. You need to learn to focus on your future. Don't be distracted. Don't be deceived. Don't be depressed. You need to remain focused. No matter what you see, no matter what you come across, don't be distracted. Be focused on your bright future and believe that you have a bright future. Wake up. No matter the present situation, believe. Look at your future. Say, I know I have a great future, and with this, I'll be able to do great things. Number 3, how you want to become mentally strong and stable and successful. Forget your past failure. Indeed, in life, we may fail on one way or the other, but forget the past failure if you want to be mentally strong. Number 4, that you need to do if you want to be mentally strong, fight fear. Fight fear. Fear will make you think. Imagine things that cannot happen. Fear will stop you. Fear will block you. Fear will make you scaring yourself. You'll be scaring yourself. You'll be stopping yourself. You'll be stressing yourself because of fear. Fight fear. Get rid of fear. And if you want to be fruitful, if you want to be mentally strong, number 5, you need to feed yourself with the right message, with the right knowledge. Feed feed your soul, feed your spirit, feed yourself with the right thing. What you eat will affect how you behave. So feed yourself. What are you eating? How are you feeding your soul? How are you feeding your spirit? How are you feeding yourself? You need to choose the type of food that you need to eat. I'm talking about your mental. What are you feeding yourself? The information you are reading, what you are watching, what you are listening to. Try to see. Feed yourself with the right food. You'll be strong. Feed yourself. Now, if you want to be mentally strong, number 6, you need to forgive yourself and forgive other people. Indeed, in life it's a learning experience. You mess up. You make a lot of mistakes. But learn to forgive yourself. Forgive and be free. Forgive, you'll be able to focus. Forgive, you'll be able to be strong. Forgive. People will fail you. People will disappoint you. Forgive them. Those who do evil, bad things to you, forgive them. And focus. Don't be bitter of how people mistreated you. When you are bitter, you are wasting time. You have a lot of things to do. Don't waste time on the people who hurt you. You need to be strong. And the other thing, number 7, that will help you to be mentally strong, fellowship with the right people. Who are the people who are surrounding you? Surround yourself with a team of people who can encourage you, who can correct you, who can comfort you, who can show you the way. Surround yourself with the right people. You need the right people on your way. The people who will hold your hand, the people that you can talk to, the people who can share your heart out. You need the right people. These people will cheer you up. These people will correct you. These people will comfort you. These people will be able to be there for you. You need the right people. The wrong people will mess up with you. The wrong people will scare you. The wrong people will not give you hope. Talk to people who give you hope. Now, the 8th thing, free yourself from bitterness. That if you want to be strong, you need to remember this thing. And why do you need to be mentally strong? I'll talk about that. But remember these things. If you want to be mentally strong, find your purpose. Why you are created. Find your why. Second thing, focus on your bright future. Number 3, forget your past failure. Number 4, fight fear. Number 5, feed yourself with the right information. Number 6, forgive yourself. Number 7, fellowship with the right people. Number 8, the bonus one, free yourself from bitterness. And why do you need to be mentally strong? First, when you are mentally strong, you'll be able to see things clearly. You'll be objective. Be seeing things clearly. And when you're mentally strong, number 2, you'll be able to stand and be able to succeed. Number 3, when you're mentally strong, you'll be able to solve problems. Remember, life will come with difficult challenges, but when you're mentally strong, you'll be able to solve the problem. Number 4, when you're mentally strong, you'll be able to say no to nonsense and be able to follow the way. Number 5, you'll be able to strengthen other people when you're mentally strong. When you're mentally strong, number 6, you'll be able to stay positive. Number 7, when you're mentally strong, you'll be powerful. There is a reason why you need to be mentally strong, because you will see things clearly, stand firm, solve the problem, say no, and strengthen other people, and stay positive and become powerful. It is my prayer that you become mentally strong. Everything starts in the mind. Check your mind, control your mind, pre-program your mind. If you are strong mentally, you'll be able to be strong physically. Remember, you need to think big, dream it, see it, it is possible. Thank you so much for watching. This is Syaviha Mulengya, the author of the book Men Are Crying, Women Are Weeping. You have a bright future. Do not give up. Please subscribe to our channel, share, and say something. Comment. You are very, very important to us. Thank you.